Hello and welcome to All in One Amazing Facts. If you are new to our channel, then please subscribe it and press the bell icon so that you can't miss our upcoming video. In this video, we will know some information about Japan and facts about Japan. The total area of Japan is 377,915 square kilometers and its population is 12 million in 2018 and ranked 11th in the world. Its capital is Tokyo and other important cities include Osaka, Kyoto, Nagoya and others. The literacy rate of Japan is 99.0% according to 2018. The nominal GDP according to 2020 is 4.9 trillion US dollars. Its GDP's revenue source are 1.1% of agriculture sector, 30.1% of industry sector and 68.7% of service sector. The GDP per capita of Japan is 39,048 US dollars. The unemployment rate of Japan according to 2020 is 3.0%. Number of foreign tourists per year according to 2019, the number of foreign visitors traveling to Japan amounted to around 31.9 million, an increase from less than 9 million in 2010. Important tourist destinations in Japan: Mount Fuji, Hiroshima Peace Memorial Park, historic Kyoto, Imperial Tokyo and many others. The crime rate of Japan is very low. Japan's military is 6th strongest military in the world and its military budget is 50.3 billion US dollars of 2020-21 financial year and ranked 5th in the world. Average life expectancy of Japan is 84.10 years according to 2017 and ranked 2nd in the world just after Hong Kong. Now let us know some facts about Japan. Fact number 1. Japan is largely made up of 4 main islands. While Japan is made up of nearly 6,852 islands, only 4 of the islands cover nearly 97% of total area of Japan. The name of the islands are Honshu, Kyushu, Shikoku and Hokkaido. The main cities like Tokyo, Osaka, Nagoya and Kyoto are located in Honshu Island. Fact number 2. The Great Tokyo area is the most populated megacity in the world. The Great Tokyo Metropolitan Area, also known as Kanto region, is made up of 3 prefectures and includes the capital of Japan, that's Tokyo, and has been established with a population of 38.14 million people, making it the world's most populated megacity in the world. Fact number 3. 69% of Japan is covered with forest. When you think of Japan, you probably think of different cities, large buildings, technology, but surprisingly, 69% of total Japan is covered with forest. 4. There are crazy amount of active volcanoes in Japan. In total, you can find 110 active volcanoes in Japan. 47 of these active volcanoes were actually closely monitored and watched by the scientists because they have erupted recently or because they think there is a chance of an eruption. Fact number 5. There are more than 1,500 earthquakes a year. Yes, what you listen, it's right. Since Japan is located on the top or close to 4 different tectonic plates, the Pacific, North American, Eurasian and Filipino plates, it is one of the most seismically active location in the world. Of course, most of these earthquakes are small, tiny earthquakes that you wouldn't feel, but larger and very destroyable earthquakes will happen once in a while. Fact number 6. Japan has the world's deepest underground postwalk. The deepest underground postwalk is located in Susami, and famous fishing town in Okinawa Prefecture, and was recorded by the Guinness Book of World Record in 2002. The postwalk is located 30 feet underwater, and since 1990 has collected more than 32,000 pieces of maize. 7. No melt ice cream. The title seems some little bit confusing because whenever you leave the ice cream for some minutes it will melt. But this discovery was accidentally made while the scientists were experimenting with the chemistry in strawberry to assist farming affected by the earthquakes of 2011. Fact number 8. A highway that goes through a building. Yes, you listened it right. In Osaka, the Hanshin Expressway goes directly through the Gate Tower building, 5th, 6th and 7th floor. In reality, the workers in the building don't really notice as the walls and the floors of the building are soundproof and the highway does not actually touch the building. Fact number 9. The last emperor in the world. Japan is only country in the world with an emperor. Even though the emperor of Japan don't hold much power and mostly play a symbolic role, they are still a proud part of the tradition of Japan. The current emperor of Japan is Naruto, who took the position on May 1st, 2019 after his father, Emperor Akihito, renounced his throne on April 30th, 2019. Fact number 10. Japan has the 7th largest coastline in the world. Fact number 11. Japan's trains are actually extremely punctual. In fact, in 2017, the Tsukuba Express line between Tokyo and Tsukuba made an global headline when the management of the train line apologized publicly for leaving the station 20 seconds early. Fact number 12. Again, fact related to trains. Shinjuku Station is the world's busiest train station, as well as the 45 of the 51 busiest train stations in the world are located in Japan. And every Shinkansen, means the bullet train of Japan is called as Shinkansen, is fitted with an automatic brake for the earthquake time. Thank you for watching our video. If you think this video is good, then please like it, and if there is any mistake with us, please comment down below so that we can rectify our mistake. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe it and press the bell icon so that you can't miss our future updates.